Welcome children. Welcome to the virtual class. Class 1. Our subject is English. Children, our subject is English. And the topic which we are going to learn today, lesson number 3, Apu the baby elephant. Yes, what is the name of our lesson? We are going to learn today lesson number 3. 3 number is remain there. So children, please correct it. Topic lesson number 3, Apu the baby elephant. So children, everyone take out your English textbook. Now you have to open children page number 29. Open everyone. Very good. So first of all we will see warm up. Yes. In that A, draw a picture of an elephant. So children, this is your PH. Here the box has given there, and in that box you have to draw a picture. You have to draw a picture of an elephant. Yes. So children, draw a picture of elephant and color it properly. This is your PH. Yes children. So now turn your page. We will move forward. So children, we will see now on page number 30 we can see questions have given there, and we have to give the answer A orally. So B, work in pairs. Take turns to ask and answer these questions. So number 1, now work in pair. This work you have to do in pair. Yes children. Now you can also ask this question, and you can discuss this question with your parents at your home. Take a turn to ask and answer these questions before start this lesson. Number 1, have you ever seen an elephant children? If your answer is yes, so you have to say yes. If your answer is no, so you have to say no. Second one, where did you see it? Children, if you have seen an elephant, so where did you see it? You have to tell this. Some of you have might be see this where in zoo, and some of you have seen this in forest or jungle. Yes. Next one, number 3. Have you ever taken an elephant ride, children? How did you feel? Number 3 is, have you ever taken an elephant ride? And at that time, how did you feel? So it is very exciting, no? Some of you feel scared, you fear, maybe fear, no? And some of you feel exciting, yes? So it is a, this means the answer is, whatever the answer is of your experience. What did you take? What did you feel? Yes? So it is totally depend on you. Number 4, do you like elephants children? If you like, so you have to say yes. If you don't like, so you have to say no. Why or why not? If you like, then why? So we can give our own answer. Like some of you, you like its uh, ears. Yes, long ears. Yes, and then some of you, uh, some of us, we like it because the elephant is a caring animal. Yes, it is a caring animal, and it also show love to the people. This elephant, it also show its love to people. Yes, and we like elephant more. Yes. So children, now move to next. As we are looking reading. Now first of all, we will read the lesson. Do you want to know, children, you have to keep your finger on the first line. Do you want to know what Appu, the baby elephant, likes to eat? And do read on to find out. So children, now as the name of our lesson is Appu, the baby elephant. So, do you want to know who is Appu, the baby elephant, and what it likes to eat and what it likes to do? So, we will read on to find out. Yes? So, shall we start our reading, children? Okay. So, children, see, we will read this. For that, you have to keep finger on that first line. I am Appu. I am a baby elephant. I live with my family in a big temple, Kaledi. It is a town in Kerala. So children, as you can see in the picture, we can see baby elephants are there. Yes. So now here I means who? Here I means Appu, baby elephant, baby elephant. Yes. Now he is telling us that I am Appu, and where he live. Now we are looking. Now Appu is a baby elephant. Appu is a baby elephant. And where he live? Live with his family. Like we people have our own family, like Appu also have his own family. And where he live? He live with his family in a big temple. Yes, in Khaledi. Khaledi is the name of a town like a Pusar. Yes, and this town we can see in Kerala. Yes, Kerala, it is a state. In that state, we can see Khaledi, and in that place, Appu lives with his family. Got it, children? As you can see in the picture. Now, children, move to the next. Keep your finger on the first line. I enjoy playing in the water. We go to bathe in a river nearby. I love to see birds and butterflies there. There are a lot of fish in the river. Children, as you can see in the picture, now Appu, the baby elephant, he enjoy playing in the water. Now we can see where is he? He is near a river. We go to bathe where? It means Appu and his friends, where they are going for bath? They are going to bathe in a river nearby. The river which is near his house, so he is there. I love to see butterfly and birds. Now here we can see in the picture also butterflies we can see there. We can see the birds also. Appu also like to see butterflies and birds at that place near a river. Yes. There are a lot of fish in the river. Now in that river we can see fish also there. Now see red color fish. Yes. And we can see on that bank of the river Appu and his friends, birds also there. Yes. Then butterflies also there. So Appu enjoying playing in water. Now we can see here. Getting children? Shall we move forward? So next one children. This one you can see on page number 31. My mouth gives me tasty banana and juicy sugar cane to eat. Are you keeping finger children? When ma'am is reading at that time, keep your finger on that line. On festivals, my family and I are decorated beautifully for a temple procession. So here, what is meant by mouth children? A person who taking care of that elephant and rides it. It means mouth. Yes, mouth it means a person who is taking care of the elephant and also ride. Yes, ride it. It means mouth. So who gives him tasty bananas and juicy sugar cane? His mouth gives him tasty banana. Yes, banana and juicy sugar cane. What is meant by sugar cane, children? This is also plant as we learned in our science lesson. Yes, sugar cane is a stem. Yes, so our baby elephant The name of our baby elephant is Appu, and he gets tasty banana and juicy sugarcane by his mouth. On festivals, yes, my family and I are decorated beautifully for a temple processions. When there is a festival snow, at that time, Appu's family and Appu, they are decorated beautifully. Yes, they are decorated beautifully for a temple procession. For a temple procession. When there is a procession, have you seen procession? Ganesha, have you seen Ganesha procession? Uh, as you can see in your textbook, the word procession has given there a line of elephants that move along slowly as a part of a ceremony. They go in a line like a part of a ceremony. It's called temple procession. Getting children? So, shall we move forward? I hope you are getting it very well. The temple priest, children, keep your finger on the first line. The temple priest very kindly gives me some payasam. Payasam, as I am very fond of it. Payasam is a special dish prepared on festivals. So, children, as you can see in the picture, priest, do you know children, priest? As you can see the picture, then you can get what is meant by priest. The temple priest, he gives very kindly some payasam. Payasam is a sweet dish. Payasam is a sweet dish, and it makes on a particular festival, and this sweet dish it like most to our Appu. Yes, so the temple priest very kindly gives our Appu some payasam, as I am very fond of it. It means he like it most. Payasam is a special sweet dish prepared on festival. In Kerala, payasam is a special dish, special sweet dish, and it is prepared on festivals in Kerala. Got it, children? So Appu likes it very much. Got it, children? Hope you are getting it properly. Next one, I feel happy when people play with me. I also love to play football with my friends. Here, children, like we people play football, like you people play football, like Appu, he feel happy when people play with him. So now we can see Appu, he is playing football with his friend. I also love to play football with my friend. Now when he is playing football with his friend, no, at that time he feel happy. Yes, and he love to play football, that we can see in this picture. So children, I feel happy, it means Appu feel happy when people play with him, like football and other game. Like he can play, love to play in river. He love to play in water. Yes, so at that time he become happy. So children, in this way, this lesson was about Appu, the baby elephant, what he like most and what he do. So in this way, we learned this lesson, children. We have completed. Now, what is your PF, children? You have to read this lesson properly. Yes, read it properly. Go through it. I will post the questions answers on WhatsApp. So, children, till then, thank you.